Global connection in the classroom. Um, Here, I'm going to address the creativity um, standard along with the communication and collaboration with some research and definitely hitting upon the digital citizenship with the technology operations component. Some critical thinking. The students will be creating an authentic digital audience. By this, I mean they will be bringing in the global connections. They will be making edublogs, they will be doing research, and they will be participating in contests. The EduBlog will serve as formative and a self-assessment tool for me, as well as for them. The research will be through this site is one site that they can research. The Guggenheim has a great interactive website here listed for the students, and they can connect with artists from around the world and be inspired by them. They watch how they make their art, they watch the materials they use, they learn how and why they make what they do, which is very interesting because that creates a bond with the other parts of the world. Homework will be submitted on EduBlogs this year, and students will learn what is appropriate to put in a blog, what is not appropriate to put in a blog, how do you reblog, how do you blog on others' sites. They will make a student account on their EduBlog and they will post it to our class blog at aggieroselliedublogs.org. This will be what they will be blogging about mainly is their homework. They will post their weekly homeworks to that site, and the weekly homeworks that they will be blogging about are the words of the week. They will have the words of the week, and these can be done in a video, they can be done as a drawing, they could be done as a painting, they could be done as a sculpture. It doesn't matter. These are homework words that they can describe in any medium they wish. They have to put them on the blog site, and then they are going to tell me in a poem or a short story or an explanation how they support the word. So here the word was tumble. So this student made a dryer and wrote the word tumble in there. This is a great website which the students will be researching to see how other artists use WordPress to blog about their artwork. The research will continue throughout this unit, and they will be using a contest of interest. They will be researching a contest of interest to get a global connection and a more authentic audience for their work. They will need to submit the due date, the size of materials, and the type of contest it will be. And they will be responsible for getting it to me in time to send it out for their contest. With help for the contest and the information, there's a whole bunch of resources that will be made available to the students. The endowment for the National Endowment for the Arts is just one of them. This is another site here that lists a whole bunch of websites that have art contests in all many different subjects. So they will thumb through these as well. So this should help get the global connection going in my classroom and create authentic digital connections, building digital citizenship.